Managing a digital signage network is a demanding job. You're dealing with multiple locations, different screen sizes and specs, and the constant need to keep content updated across the board. Without the right hardware, all of this can quickly overwhelm your system. And that's where the Fugo Chromebox steps in. It's designed to simplify your signage setup, bringing stability, performance, and ease to managing your screens. It's the latest addition to our player lineup, built specifically to handle the complexities of a high-performance digital signage network. Let's talk about what makes this thing so powerful. Under the hood, the Fugo Chromebox is powered by an Intel processor with 8GB of RAM and Intel Ultra HD integrated graphics. It supports dual 4K displays, and its compact size, roughly the same as a smartphone, allows it to fit easily into tight spaces. But it's not just the specs that matter, it's how the device handles content. With hardware acceleration on ChromeOS, the Fugo Chromebox delivers smooth, reliable playback, even when running GPU-intensive content. And on the software side, ChromeOS comes with a lightweight, modern browser, fully optimized to run the Fugo web app at peak performance. So, whether it's high-res video, data streams, or interactive flows, your content will run with virtually no lag or stutter. With the Google Admin console, you have complete remote control over every device in your network. You can push updates, lock the Chromebox into kiosk mode to prevent tampering, and even schedule automatic reboots if needed. Your IT admins can also use the admin console to set up Chrome features remotely, enforce policies, and apply settings across the entire organization or to specific groups. Now, let's get this thing set up. Before you start setting up your Chromebox with Fugo, there are two things you'll need to do. Set up your G Suite account and purchase Chrome licenses for your boxes. These licenses allow you to enroll your boxes in Chrome Enterprise Management tools, where you can set Fugo to run in kiosk mode. Why is that important? Well, kiosk mode lets you run Fugo as a single app and lock it down, so no one can interfere with it. And if there's a power failure or if the app crashes, the box will automatically relaunch Fugo. Besides kiosk mode, you'll also get features like device monitoring and reporting, remote updates, remote reboots, offline notifications, and more, all through your Google Admin console. Open the menu from the top left corner and select Devices, then Chrome. In the drop-down menu, click on Apps and Extensions, then Kiosks. On the next page, hover over and click the yellow Add by URL icon in the bottom right corner. Then enter the Fugo player URL, shown here, into the space provided and click Save. A pop-up window will appear asking you to authorize Google to grant permissions to the Fugo web app. Click Agree. Back on the kiosk page, click the drop-down button next to the Auto Launch app and select the Fugo Player app. This will set Fugo to automatically launch when you start up your device. And click Save. Now, with Fugo set up as a kiosk app for your devices, you can enroll them. But before doing so, we recommend that you purchase the kiosk and signage upgrade for your device. Note that you'll need a keyboard and mouse to help you complete the next few steps. Now, turn on your Chrome device and follow the instructions on the screen until you get to the sign-in screen. Don't sign in just yet, but press Ctrl, Alt, and E on your keyboard to go to the enrollment screen. Enter the username and password from your Google Admin welcome letter or for a Google account that has eligibility to enroll. Click Enroll Device. When you get a confirmation message that the device is successfully enrolled, click Done. Once this is all done, your Chromebox may reboot and launch Fugo as a kiosk app. You'll see the custom pairing pin displayed on the screen. You're going to use it to pair your screen by logging into Fugo from the browser on your computer. Inside Fugo, click Create, then Screen. Alternatively, you can get to the pairing page by clicking Screens in the top navigation bar, then Create Screen. Enter the pairing code, give your screen a name and add its location if you want to be able to find it in Fugo's map viewer. Your new screen will now be listed on your screens page and you're ready to push content to it from Fugo. Now, Fugo allows you to display content from virtually any source. Whether you're creating your content in our slide builder from scratch or pulling it from systems your team uses already. That includes high-res media, integrations with third-party tools, and dashboards or web pages that live behind a secure login. I'm just going to publish a playlist to my screen to see it in action. And there you go. This screen right now is currently being controlled by my Fugo Chromebox. Now you can get your Fugo Chromebox direct from our website at fugo.ai. Make sure to check out our help center for more guidance on using Fugo, and of course, thanks for watching.